This is part two. I just finally started the engine. Took me about half an hour to figure it all out. Let me show you my setup. I got my wiring on a board which is clamped to the engine mounting log, I guess you'll call it. And I got the water input going into a bucket with a hose going into it. I used an old lawnmower gas tank, which I cut a hole in the top of and put a return line in. You can see right there, because it's a diesel. I've got a battery out of my Mercedes over there. There's the water trap muffler that came with the engine, and I've got it rigged to the exhaust. And there's the front of the panel. And I made these controls to the throttle, and the stop valve is down here, and they're actually made out of old political signs, the steel frames you find on the political signs. So I had problems starting it because I was putting it in full throttle or half throttle. I mean all on or all off on the throttle, and what it needed was halfway, and it just started right up once I read the manual and figured that out. So let me set up and I'll show you I'll start. Okay, throttle half on. Here. Throttle half on. Stop lever off. Ignition on, that makes the circuitry live. And the charging button here to turn off the charger, so you don't have to work the charger while you're trying to start it. Now let's see if I can get it to go. She goes. This is the oil fill. It's got a screwdriver in it to keep the oil from squirting out. I haven't checked the transmission yet. That'll come later. I'm doing a little charging right now. Overflowing. That level will go down real quick when you turn the hose off. I was glad to see that because see how low it goes real quick? That means the pump is working well. Of course, you can tell because it's sorting out the exhaust too. I'm really quite pleased. It's not that noisy. And it's running just about the right RPMs. I like that. I can't wait to put this in a boat. Yeah! Oh, and the fuel tank. It's a real miser. It really is. I guess that's about a quart in there, a half quart pint maybe. And it's just going and going and going. Oh boy.